how to hit your school goals. I've been on the platform for the past 2 years now, and I worked with a community making 250K a month. I've scaled another to 30K a month plus, and I do this full time. In terms of hitting your school goals, break it down. First of all, what do you want? Most people are going to give a generic answer, which is like, I want 10K a month. And I know this because I used to work for a community that sold school communities. So it would either be 5K a month or 10K a month. And then you'd ask them why. And they'd be like, I don't know. Which is perfectly fine, right? I've been in that position like so many times. I'm like, I don't really know. But it's really good to have some sort of emotional tie around that, some sort of why. That's like instant. Like if I ask you your goal, it's like 7.5K this month because of this. It's like, okay, cool. Now you have something to think about when you're doing nothing, right? It's like for me, if I'm being lazy and I'm just lying there, then I can think about my goal. And be like, okay, cool. And I can break it down. And you want to break things down into how you can actually get that goal. So I want 5K a month, let's say. I'm selling a 1K product and I'm going to sell it through calls. Okay, cool. So let's say I close at 20% conversion rate on the calls. Okay, well, you got to also account for the show rate. Let's say 80% of people show up. Okay, then how many booking links do I have to send? Okay, what's the conversion rate on the amount of people that see the booking link to booking? Okay, how many conversations do I have to actually send the booking links? Okay, so how many people do I have to talk to? Okay, so I have to talk to, let's say, 200 people. Now, how the fuck do I get 200 people? Well, I could do YouTube, I could do this, I could do this, right? And then you just break it down and then you're like, okay, I need to post 50 videos and then that should probably get me 100 people. And then you know what you're actually aiming for and how to get there. And then you can adjust. But most people kind of just fire at the hip and they get nowhere. And it sucks. Don't do that. Just break it down. Hello? Hello? Okay. Bye.